Hello guys, in this video I am telling you that what is fluent English. Fluent English. What does it mean? I think you are thinking speaking English like this. Yeah, my name is Asheesh Sir and I am teaching you online on my YouTube channel DAY English Academy, and it is a very good English channel. So you can subscribe to my channel for better spoken languages. So I think you are thinking like that. Yeah, absolutely right. So guys, there are two kind of speaker which speak language like this. I am showing you a demo. My channel name is AV English Academy, and I teach English on my channel, and my channel is very good. So guys, this is only English, okay? That person thinking in Hindi or in other language, and then he is trying to translate into English. Guys, a person who is thinking in English and then speaking in English, that is called fluent English. Those person who thinks in English and speak English, they can speak easily. I'm showing you a demo. Hi everyone, my name is Asheesh Sir and I teach you online on my YouTube channel AV English Academy. This is a very important thing, that to subscribe to my channel, because if you will not subscribe to my channel, you will not get the all notification. When I will upload the video, then you will get the notification first. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and then press the bell icon also, because bell icon will make your all the notification unmute. तो इस तरीके से कुछ आप लोग बोल सकते हैं. So I think the students speaking fluent English is very important, right? When you are speaking like this, my name is Asheesh Sir, and I am going to upload my video. So guys, these kind of English, when you are speaking, then people think that this person is speaking like a kid. You know na kid? The age 0 to 5, that is kid age, right? So whenever you are speaking like this, then you are speaking like a child, like a kid, and you are grown up. So you should speak fluent, I think. So guys, speaking fluent English is very important, but when you are a beginner, then I will never say you that to speak fluent directly. How is this possible, right? So try to speak fluent English means then you are thinking in English and directly you are speaking in English. And I think most of you that having a question in your mind, how can we think in English, right? So guys, I am showing you something. Think, I want to say, yeah, this is a picture, right? See, this is a picture. So guys, this is picture because I am telling you that is a picture. If I say you this is a chalchitra, I think chayachitra, sorry, photo is called chayachitra in Hindi. So if I am telling you this is chayachitra, then you will learn that this is chayachitra. Then you will think chayachitra in Hindi and in English photo, right? When you are showing an apple, then it is an apple. If you are showing save to somebody, then you will think save is called apple. That is the translation of a picture to Hindi and then English, and that is very old method of learning English. Now we are very trained in spoken languages, so we can directly tell you that what is an apple, right guys? So directly think in English and then try to speak in English, then your English will be fluent. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, press the like button.